I'm a beginner hacker and I asked ChatGPT to choose me an easy hacking test. I have to finish the test without any help or looking at any documentation. This is the test that the AI chose. I'll be able to finish it. Here we go.
The caping of code. Hello there, my name is Bingo. My dad recently banned me from eating fish. This room expects some basic pen testing knowledge. I hope I have basic pen testing knowledge, as I will not be going over every tool in detail that is used. While you can just use the room to follow through, some interest or experience in assembly is highly recommended. Oh, what is assembly? Task 1, that was task 1, easy. Task 2, the first step is to see what ports and services are running on the target machine. Yes, I know that. Nmap. So this is our required machine. I'm guessing this is a manual. Who needs a manual? Nmap says this, port 22 SSH and port 80, that's our website. I know that one because of HTTP. How many ports on the open target machine? I'll say 2. Correct answer, nice. What is the HTTP title of the web server? I'll just try this. Let me put it in. That's what she said. Correct. What version is the SSH service? I think it's this. Correct. Yes, it is. What is the version of the web server? I think it should be this, Apache 2.4.18, I hope. Next victim, web enumeration. Since the only services running are SSH and Apache, it is safe to assume that we should check out the web server first for possible vulnerabilities, of course. One of the first things to do is see what pages are available to access on the web server. Recommended tool, GoBuster. What is GoBuster? GoBuster is a command line tool used for brute forcing directories and files on web servers, as well as discovering DNS subdomain. DNS. What is DNS? Domain name system. It's a system that translates human readable domain names like this into numerical IP addresses that computers use to identify. Oh, okay, so DNS is the way the computers talk to each other. The URL is what we use to find out what websites are. Then how do I use GoBuster? Here we go. Incorrect usage. Flag provided but not defined -u. Isn't that a URL? This is a URL. Why wouldn't it work? 1080.186.6, 1080.186.6. Yeah. Flag provided but not defined. How? Uses directory file enumeration mode. I guess I didn't specify. Oh, now it's working. Failed to get number of lines. This is a directory.
Word list, you say? So a word list is basically a big list of guesses that a computer program will use. A word list basically works that if you want to find a secret page on a website, the computer will try different things like the website.com/admin, the website.com/login, and it goes through thousands of words from the list, just trying to see if it finds something. For me, I'm going to use GoBuster and this specific word list.
Okay, 1. I think these are too many words. These are 14 million. Yeah, that's way too much to go through. So I will cancel that. And I think I'll actually go for the one this guy did. Derb big text.
Oh, the recommended word list was actually this, which is the one that I think I used. So that's a good sign. What is the name of the important file on the server? What is an important file? Would it be this? Server status. Let's see. I don't think it's that one because it doesn't correlate to the answer format. Damn, okay. I'll actually just try visit all these pages and see if there's anything. We've officially hit a dead end. That was quick, and only task 3. I'll actually leave that and see if I can do anything else. The admin page seems to give us a login form. In situations like this, it's always worth to check out for low-hanging fruit. In the case of login forms, one of the first things to check is for SQL injection. Recommended tool, SQLmap. What the hell is SQL injection? SQL injection is a code injection technique used to attack data-driven applications by inserting malicious SQL statements into an entry field for execution. So the admin page seems to give us a login form. How did they know there's an admin page? Not found. So how did they find an admin page? This was the word list, and honestly, it didn't find like a lot. It only found these 3. The question was, what is the name of the important file on the server? And the next question is, what is the admin username? So in my GoBuster command, I only did the URL and word list. So let me actually see if file extension is going to do something. So which is -x. Oh, the first one took so much time. I wonder how long this will take now. Immediately it found these again, but with .php at the end. So maybe I should have added that. Let me try. Forbidden. I was so hopeful, by the way. Ooh, this is new. Administrator.php, and it's green. It's green. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh, yes, got a login page. And I also think this is the answer to the question. What is the name of the important file on the server? That should be administrator.php. Correct. Admin page seems to give us a login form. So now I need to know what this SQL map thing. Free and open source penetration testing tool that automates finding and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities on web applications. How it can extract data from databases, execute commands, and even take control of the target server. Oh, that is a lot. I need to now learn how to use SQL map. I think we just need to write it like so, SQL map, then the URL, and then dump to dump everything. Oh, and forms also. Need to include forms there, and -a, so that it grabs everything. If this works right off the bat, I'll be so happy. Oh, legal disclaimer. Usage of SQL map, there's consent, don't worry about that. Critical. Dump is incompatible with switch dump all. Let's try that again. It's doing something. Post data, username, and password. Do you want to test this form? Yes, I do. I don't know what all these questions are. Union of, I do not know what all these are. Injection not exploitable with null values. Okay, fine, use random value. Do you want to perform a dictionary based attack? Yes, I do. Okay, it's been going on for a while. I don't know if this is good or not, but it's retrieved a lot, like so much. I'm actually just going to stop this. So this guy, when he was here, he found these available databases, and I think I need to have done that first. So I'll try to do that. The backend is DMS is MySQL, but what about the names? I haven't found the names yet. Oh wait, actually, I'll stop this too. Don't do -a, but just do forms in DBS. Found the available databases. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I guess we need to check users. What was the question? What is the admin username? What is the admin password? How many forms of SQLi is a form vulnerable to? How do you find that? But okay, what is the admin username? Let me find out how he got the username. Okay, I think I've kind of got the hang of this. So now I'm going to do that -t. This option basically is to check the database tables, and I'm going to put here users because I had seen that a while back right here. Oh wait, but this is a database, not a table. So let me try to find out the available tables. The database in users, there's one table called users. So now I need to change this out with -t and then users. Oh, I forgot to add dump. So I got different results. One entry, password, username, secret pass, Pingudad. What? I don't think that's the answer though. It actually is. And the password is secret pass. Oh, this is hilarious. How many forms of SQLi is the form vulnerable to? How does someone get to know that? Okay, I'm very happy to have found this, but now this question. How many forms of SQL injection is the form vulnerable to? So I guess I just do SQL map and then the URL and forms and see if that tells me anything. So I guess this one, just one, maybe. Oh, incorrect. How do you find that? Well, it's obviously either 1 to 9 because it's a single digit. I guess maybe 2, this one and this one. I'm going to write 2. Nope, still wrong. Let me find out if there's a way to find out how many forms of SQLi injection a target is vulnerable to. It's the next day, still stuck in this question. How many forms of SQL injection is the form vulnerable to? Honestly, at this point, I could literally just try all the numbers from 1 to 9 because it's only a one-word answer. It was 3, but how is one supposed to know it was 3? I'm just going to dig around a little bit and see if I can find anything. Oh, okay, the answer is actually 3. I should have read these. Appears to be this, injectable, and here also injectable. The answer was actually 3. Nice. AI actually helped for once. Command execution. It seems you have gained the ability to run commands. Since this is my old PC, I should still have a user account. Let me try to actually log in since we got Pingudad logins. Oh yes, now we can run commands. Okay, fine. Let's see how we can play with this. Let's run a few test commands and then try to gain access. So method 1, nc reverse shell. This machine has been outfitted with, I think this is Netcat, a tool that allows you to make and receive connections and send data. It is one of the most popular tools to get a reverse shell. Some great places to find reverse shell payloads are High on Coffee and Pentest Monkey. After this, you'll have to do some additional enumeration to find find Pingu's SSH key or hidden password. Method 2. Hidden password. Assuming that my father hasn't modified since he overtook my old PC, I should still have my hidden password stored somewhere. I don't recall though. You'll have to find it. Find is a recommended tool here as it allows you to search for which files a user specifically owns. Let's try this first. So NC. I think I've ever used Netcat before, but I forgot how to use it. So it is tutorial time. Okay, so the first step I need to do is set up a listening netcat instance. I'm going to just copy this. I think I'm going to do port 69. Now it's listening. Now I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put the command here. This work? No, nothing. Nothing is really happening here. Oh, maybe this is what I'm supposed to be running there. I'm going to copy this and hopefully paste it here. Then change the IP address to mine. If I knew what it was, it should be this, I think. And the port should be 69 here. Okay, it's taking longer than usual. Did anything happen on the other side? Oh, what? Can't access TTY. I think TTY is terminal. Job control turned off. What is job control? Maybe this is good. Can we run? Yes we can. Yes we can. Whoa, what next? I don't know what to do next. Maybe now I need to do some additional enumeration to find Pingu's SSH key or hidden password. Hidden password. How do we get that? Let's see where we are. var www.html. Can we go to root? Yes we can. Okay, so how is one supposed to get the password? I'm going to try find out how to do SSH enumeration because I think it's what we need to do according to the question, you know? I don't know what I'm supposed to do after getting this. Okay, I found this website. I need to probably run this command. Hopefully it works. The agent has no identities. Nice. I might just have to use AI to help me out because I seriously don't know what to do next. But I did say I can't use any help. No help. Is this technically help? But I really don't know what to do next. And there's no hints. There's literally no hints. Wait, how many files are in the current directory? How many files are in the current directory? Assuming my father hasn't modified since he took over my old PC, I should still have my hidden password stored somewhere. I don't recall though, so you'll have to find it. Find is the recommended tool here as it allows you to search for which files a user specifically owns. Whoa, it can do that? Why didn't I try that before? I thought it was a different step. Okay, so let's try finds all this. Oh, maybe I need to go to the root, but I think this is the current directory, var www.html. It has 3 files. Oh, I think I saw such a question. Yeah, how many files in the current directory? That should be 3. This is definitely yes. I want to check the hint so bad, but I won't. I will go to root first. Then let's say find Pingu. No such file or directory. Okay. Honestly, I think I have to take the hint. Check etc password. Oh, that's the file I was supposed to look for. Okay. Find etc. Okay, yep, it's definitely there. cd etc/password. Can't cd to etc password. Why not? Am I not the admin? I'm root, aren't I? www-data. Is there a way to like check privileges? I think this is bordering privilege escalation. Something I don't know how to do. Oh wait, I could cut? Oh yeah, I could. Why didn't I do that in the first place? Okay, there's a lot of people. Yes, Pingu is still here. Finally, I feel like I'm making progress once again. What is my SSH password? It's not even possible to find. It's many days later, evidently. Wow, it's still doing my head in. One question. What is my SSH password? Yes, Pingu. Pingu is where I was. And this is everything that's here. So one of this has to have a password. I'm not sure. Can I just do find -f password? Unknown predicate. Maybe I need to learn how to use the find command then.